Hello friends, today in this video I am going to create an animated hamburger. As you can see this example, when my cursor hover this hamburger, then there have been a smooth animation. So we're going to create this with the help of pure CSS. Before getting started, I want to remind you one thing, that if you had not checked out the description, I have provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. And second thing is that if you find some bug or any mistake or want some any improvement in this video, please comment it down so that in the upcoming videos I will sort those problems. For this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named transforming hamburger. On clicking on it, you find two files. First one is the index.html and second one is the style.css. Let's open with the code editor or text editor. So here you can see I have written all the basic markup that is required to create my web page. Here in this I have used HTML tag, head tag, and inside this head tag I have given the title to my web page. And in the style.css I have written the basic coding in the body section. Here the margin is 0 and padding is 0. So in the index.html, in the body section, you have to create a button, simple button. Here in this you have to create a div of class line. 3 times is required for the 3-line hamburger. So I have written it down and then opening it with the live server. As you can see this preview, there have been a button at the top, and in the style.css display will flex in the body section, align item is center and justify content is center, so that our button will be at the center. So width is given is 100%, height is 100 viewport height. As you can see, our button has come to the center part. Here in this button I want to add a width of 100 pixel so that it will be a square. Height will also be the 100 pixel. And then as you can see this preview, it has some outlines, so we have to remove it. Outline is none. And then as you can see this preview, then we have to put the position relative to the body part. Here the border will be 2 pixels solid black. As you can see this preview, but the I want the background will be the transparent so that it will like nice to the web page. Here in this I am giving the border radius so that the sharp corner will be bent to the 8 pixel, and then transition of 0.5 seconds so that when I hover, then this 3 line convert into the cross part. Here in the button I want to define the lines that I have created in the div. The width is 80 pixel lesser than the container that we have. Position is relative again. Height will be 4 pixel and display will be block. Here you have to notice that when we hover this part, then it will turn into cross. So there have been a calculation here. So I am giving the margin of 16 pixel. Remember, this 16 pixel will play an important role in determining the transition. So here the height is 4 pixel and margin is 16 pixel. 16 plus 4 is 20 pixel, giving the transition. It is the most important point. And here in this button, when we hover this, then the border radius, it will become 50% so that it will be a circle. As you can see, when I hover this part, then this became a circle. And in this, when I hover the button, the line of nth child of 1 gets selected, and in this the transform will be translate y. As I have already mentioned the calculation how I have done, so you can take a screenshot of this. Here the rotate will be minus 45. As you can see, when I hover this part, then there have been the line will be tilted first one line. So here is the minus 25 pixel and 45 degree, and this will be the third. As you can see, when I hover, then this become a cross part. Here in this second part, the opacity given is 0. Here the display none will not work, so here you have to put the opacity 0. As you can see this preview in the 100%, and this is the preview in the 200%. So here Thanks for watching if you have been till the end, and I hope that you will success if you are being to try to create this thing, and I hope this is actually very easy to create.